Good morning, children. Today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter 10, and the topic is, am, are and ing. In this chapter we will learn about the uses of is, am, are and ing, that where we use these words. Okay. Uses of is. We use is when we speak about one person or thing. We use is when we talk about one person or a thing, then we use is. For example, he is a postman. He is a postman. Here we use is because we talk about a single person, postman. Now second, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. Here we talk about a single object, that is book, which is on a table. So we use is here. If there is a books, if there is books, then we use are. We use are because books means more than one book. But we talk here about a single book, then we use is here. Now, am, where we use am. Am is used always with I only. We use am always with I only. For example, I am a girl. I am a girl. Here, am is used along with I. Second, I am playing. Here, what we see that am is used with I. Okay, only. So, we use am only with I. Are. Where we use are. We use are when we talk about more than one person. When we talk about more than one person, then we use person or thing, then we use are. Okay. Are is used with you, we and they. Are is used with you, we and they. Example, we are happy. Here we use are with we. Here we use are along with we. Second, you are a boy. Here we use are with you. Here we use are with you. Now, ing, where we use ing. We add ing to main verb and use them with the helping verbs. We use ing with main verbs and we add ing to main verbs and use with them helping verbs. Is, am, are. Children, is, am, are our helping verbs. We know that is, am, are helping verbs. When we are talking about any action that is taking place at that time. When we talking about any action that is taking place at that time, or another way we can say that when we talk about a present time. When we talk about a present time, then we use ing in a helping verb. And then we use ing in a main verb, add ing in a main verb, and with the help of helping verb, use helping verb also, is, am, are. Okay. Example, I am singing. Here, sing is a main verb. Sing is a main verb, and we add ing in sing and make it singing, and use am because here is I. Okay, and we always use am with I only. Second, they are playing. Here we add ing. Here we also add ing in main verb and use our helping verb are because there is they. Because there is they. And we use are with you, we and they. So children, in this way, we learn about the uses of is, am, are and ing, that where we use is, am, are and add ing. Read this chapter again. Thank you.